Welcome everyone. I bet some of you guys can agree with me that lately you have been hearing a lot about AI, right?
Artificial intelligence.
Artificial intelligence.
With ChatGPT increasingly being used daily by users, AI models being integrated in the human workforce machines, and other users focused on leveraging AI tools to maximize success on their online business ventures with less work time. So one would ask, how do I stay ahead of this AI revolution and start generating my own online income streams? That's why on this exciting video, where we're going to explore the top 5 AI tools that can help you start building your online personal brand or business in 2025, with the assistance of your AI partners. The game of successful online businesses is simple, but it still requires you to lock in with this AI tools to work effectively and beat a lot of competition. Whether you're a beginner looking to start your first online venture, or an experienced entrepreneur looking to scale your business, these AI tools are game changers. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to leverage these tools to boost your income and streamline your workflows. So, let's dive right in. Tool 1. Top Large Language Models. First on our list are the top large language models, or LLMs, such as Grok, ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude. These are the powerhouses of AI that can understand and generate human-like text, making them incredibly versatile for online businesses. So, how can you use these LLMs to make money online? The possibilities are endless. You can create high-quality content for your blog or social media, which can attract more traffic and generate ad revenue or affiliate income. For example, a single well-crafted blog post generated by ChatGPT could rank high on search engines, driving organic traffic to your affiliate links. You can also use these LLMs to build chatbots for your website, providing 24/7 customer support without the need for a large team, which can improve customer satisfaction and retention. Additionally, these LLMs can help with market research, competitor analysis, and generating business ideas, enabling you to launch new ventures or optimize existing ones. The key is to leverage their ability to process and generate language to automate and enhance tasks that would otherwise take a lot of time and effort. Now let's move to the next tool. Tool 2. Veo3, Google's latest AI video generation tool. Announced at Google I/O 2025. This is a game changer for anyone who wants to create professional quality videos without the need for expensive equipment or extensive editing skills. With Veo3, you can simply describe what you want in a video, and it will generate an 8-second clip complete with synchronized audio, including dialogue, sound effects, and background music. This tool excels in realism, physics accuracy, and prompt adherence, making it ideal for filmmakers, marketers, and content creators. To get started with Veo3, you'll need to access it through platforms like Google's Gemini or Canva, which offer this tool as part of their AI services. For example, you can visit Gemini's video generation page or Canva's AI video feature. Depending on the platform, you might need to subscribe to a plan, such as Google AI Pro or Ultra, but the investment is well worth it for the time and resources it saves. Once signed up, you input a text prompt or upload an image, and Veo3 generates a video. For instance, you could prompt, "A wise old owl flying through a moonlit forest with flapping wings and orchestral music," and Veo3 will create a vivid clip with matching audio. For online businesses, Veo3 means you can produce high-quality video content to attract customers, showcase products, or tell your brand's story without hiring a videographer or spending hours in post-production. If you're running an e-commerce store, you can use Veo3 to create product demo videos that highlight your items in action, potentially increasing conversions by up to 80%. As studies suggest, engaging videos boost sales. If you're a content creator on YouTube, you can generate engaging shorts or intros for your videos, driving views and ad revenue. The ability to create viral-ready content quickly makes Veo3 a powerful tool for social media marketers aiming to capture attention and grow their audience. Third on our list is Tool 3. Notebook LM, Google's AI-powered note-taking and research assistant. This tool is a must-have for anyone who deals with a lot of information, whether you're a student, a researcher, or a professional. With Notebook LM, you can upload documents, web links, or even YouTube videos, and it will summarize the content, highlight key points, and generate new insights by connecting different pieces of information. It's particularly useful for synthesizing complex data into actionable insights. To get started, you can simply sign up for a Google account if you don't already have one, and access it for free at Notebook LM's official site. The interface is user-friendly. Upload your sources, up to 50, including PDFs, videos, or links, and ask specific questions or request summaries. For example, you could upload a set of market research reports and ask Notebook LM to identify trends or create a podcast summarizing the findings. The tool's unique audio overview feature generates engaging discussions between two AI hosts, which can be downloaded for on-the-go listening. That's why this can help you make money online. For example, if you're in the business of providing information or education, Notebook LM can save you a tremendous amount of time. For consultants, it can quickly analyze reports, market research, or client data to provide informed recommendations, allowing you to charge premium rates for faster turnaround. Content creators can use it to generate in-depth articles, blog posts, or entire courses by synthesizing information from multiple sources, which can be monetized through subscriptions or sales. The podcast feature is particularly innovative, enabling you to turn research into audio content for platforms like Spotify, potentially earning through sponsorships or ads. By streamlining research, Notebook LM helps you deliver high-value content efficiently, enhancing your revenue potential. Fourth on our list is Tool 4, CodeDesign.ai Landing Page Generation, an AI-powered website builder that lets you create stunning landing pages in minutes. If you're looking to launch an online business, promote a product, or showcase your services, having a professional-looking website is crucial, and CodeDesign.ai makes it incredibly easy. It uses proprietary AI technology to tailor each page to your needs, ensuring high performance and SEO optimization. To get started, you can sign up for a free account at CodeDesign.ai. Provide details about your business, what you do, who your target audience is, and your goals. And the AI will generate a fully functional landing page with engaging copy, beautiful design, and matching images. You can customize the page further if needed, but the initial generation is often ready to go live. For example, if you're starting an insurance services business, you could input lead capture landing page for insurance services, and CodeDesign.ai will create a page optimized for conversions. For online businesses, CodeDesign.ai means you can quickly set up a website to capture leads, sell products, or build your brand presence without hiring a web developer or designer. A well-designed landing page can increase conversion rates by up to 160%, according to some marketing studies, making it ideal for running ads, promoting affiliate products, or selling your own offerings. You can create multiple landing pages for different campaigns or products, each optimized for maximum impact, driving traffic and revenue. For freelancers or agencies, offering landing page creation services using CodeDesign.ai can be a lucrative side hustle. Finally, on the fourth place, let's talk about one of the topics that have been taking over the attention of large Silicon Valley tech companies. Tool 5, AI Agents. These are powerful tools that allow you to create intelligent, autonomous systems that automate complex workflows and make decisions based on AI, all operating one platform. You can start building this AI agents on platforms such as N8N and Make.com to match your workflows and build your audience. Both platforms offer ways to integrate AI into your business processes, making them more efficient and scalable. N8N AI Agents. With N8N, you can build AI-powered workflows that connect with over 422 apps and services. The AI Agent node allows for creating multi-agent systems with capabilities like branching and looping. To start, sign up for a free account at n8en.io, explore their 600-plus automation templates, and set up workflows using a drag-and-drop interface. For example, you could create an AI agent that analyzes customer data from a CRM and sends personalized emails via MailChimp, automating lead nurturing. Make.com AI Agents. Similarly, Make.com's AI agents, launched in April 2025, bring real-time intelligence to workflows, adapting dynamically to changing situations. With over 2,000 app integrations, they're ideal for complex tasks. Sign up at Make.com, create an agent, e.g., Inventory Assistant, and define its role using natural language prompts. For instance, an AI agent could monitor inventory levels in Google Sheets and place orders via an e-commerce platform when stock is low. In terms of monetizing this AI agents for online income, they can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up your time to focus on strategic activities. They can enhance customer service by providing instant, personalized responses, potentially increasing retention by 25%, as some studies suggest. For example, an AI agent could handle customer inquiries on Slack, reducing response times and costs. By optimizing workflows, N8N and Make.com can reduce operational expenses, boosting your bottom line. Businesses can also offer automation consulting services, leveraging these platforms to build solutions for clients. Before we wrap up, let's reflect on the incredible potential of AI in shaping the future of online businesses and ventures. As we've seen with these top 5 AI tools, artificial intelligence is not just a trend. It's a transformative force revolutionizing how we work, create, and interact online. From advanced language models like Grok, ChatGPT, and Claude that generate human-like text, to video generation tools like VO3 that bring stories to life, to note-taking assistants like Notebook LM that synthesize complex information, to website builders like CodeDesign.ai that create professional landing pages, and finally, to workflow automation platforms like N8N and Make.com that build intelligent agents. The possibilities are endless. As we look ahead, AI will continue to evolve, becoming more integrated into our daily lives and businesses. Research suggests AI could contribute $15.7 trillion to the global GDP by 2030, with businesses adopting AI reducing operational costs by up to 20%. The tools discussed today are just the beginning, and the future of online businesses will be driven by those who harness AI to innovate, automate, and create value. Whether you're starting out or running a successful venture, exploring these tools can help you achieve your goals smarter and faster. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has inspired you to take your online business to the next level with these incredible AI tools. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.